Alright folks, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing two of my favorite entry setups. So let's dive into it. First, you want to look for major liquidity. Here we have the previous week's high, but in this case it's also the previous day's high. That's the two types of liquidity you should be looking for as a beginner. So now we have price taking out the high, which is our liquidity. So we are going to drop down to the 5-minute time frame, which is our entry time frame. So now we need to identify the candle that took out liquidity on the 5-minute time frame, which is also our potential order block. So we're going to mark the low of that candle. So we need to wait for the order block to be activated by waiting for the price to trade or close below the order block. So we have price trading and closing below our bearish order block, which activates our bearish order block. So now you want to set the sell limit at the low or the body of the order block and your stop loss above the order block's high. Your target is the opposite swings, which is your sell side liquidity. So that's how the trade is going to look like. So let's move to the second model. Right now we have a very short trading plan. This is what you're going to look for every single day. You want to see price take out major liquidity, which is the previous day's high or the previous week's high. Next, you want to see a market structure shift with displacement. If you don't know how to identify a market structure shift, please watch the previous video. Within that displacement, you want to identify a fair value gap and set your limit order and your take profit at the opposite side of the swing. So now let's look at the actual chart. We have the same condition. Price has already taken out major liquidity. So next, we have to identify the market structure shift with displacement. And finally, identify a fair value gap within that range and set your limit order and target the opposite side of the liquidity or the opposite side of the swings. So that's how your entry is going to look like. And now that's how both modules is going to look like. If you missed the first entry, which is the 2022 ICT mentorship, you would have had a chance to use the order block model to enter. But you don't have to trade both. You can just choose one for the sake of statistics and so that you can track how your module is working for you. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share the video. I'll see you in the next video. That's with Dania.